My John Deere D130 will not crank. When key is turned on, solenoid clicks. Lights come on. Fuse is fine. Battery is charged. I replaced the seat safety switch, solenoid and brake safety switch no change. What next? How do I test the starter?
Hello. I will be assisting you today. This does sound like the starter and the first thing to check really. You can check out the starter a couple of ways. The first being to remove the starter from the mower and take it to any auto parts store and they can test it right there at their tester. AutoZone is about the easiest to deal with. Option 2 is to bypass the key and solenoid. To do this, get a pair of jumper cables and hook them up to the battery. Then attach the other end ground to the frame and touch the positive red to the nut where the red cable is hooked up to the starter. This should make the starter spin up. If you don't see anything, then the starter is faulty. If you have any problems or need additional assistance, I would be happy to come back in and the system will notify me if you post again. If you don't give 5 stars, I don't get paid. Thanks, and have a great day.
Thanks for your answer. It was helpful so far. It looks like the starter is faulty, no spin as per your test. However, I am having trouble getting the starter off. I can only remove one bolt. I can't quite get a socket on the other, and it looks like I need to remove a metal shield to get at the other. Can't see how to remove that shield. It seems to be attached under the flywheel. I can get an Allen wrench in the star hole, but can't budge it with weak torque.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.